Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a bus is traveling with uniform speed in one direction. Now, with the help of this graph shown below, we have to find the position after 40 minutes. So let the initial position of bus be c kilometer at t equals 30 minutes. Distance represented by s is given as 20 kilometer. Let us consider let velocity equals v kilometer per minute, right? Okay, so we can write the formula of distance, that is s equals velocity multiplied by time plus the distance it was at c kilometer, that is at t equals 0. So it will be distance will be equals 30 multiplied by u plus c. But distance is given as 20 kilometers, so 20 equals 30 multiplied by, this will be v, 30v plus c. So this is our equation number 1. Now at t equals 50 minutes, distance is 40 kilometer, so we'll have 40 equals 50v plus c. So this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2 we get, so what we are going to do is we are going to subtract equation 1 from 2. So it will be 40 minus 20 equals 50v minus 30v. So we have 20 equals 20v, therefore v equals 1 kilometer per minute. Now put v in equation 1. So put v in equation 1. So we have 20 equals 30 multiplied by 1 plus c. So c will be equals 20 minus 30, which is minus of 10 kilometer, right? Therefore distance, so therefore what they have asked us, find position at 40 minutes. Therefore position at 40 minutes will be equals s equals velocity multiplied by time, where velocity is 1, so 1 multiplied by time, which is 40 plus c. So distance will be 40 minus 10, so distance will be equals 30 kilometer. So the position will be 30 kilometer. So this will be our final required answer. Let's take the options. Therefore option B will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.